Rosatom HR solution is designed to support partner countries in elaboration of an appropriate capacity building mechanism, maintaining required safety, security, and sustainability levels of their nuclear-powered programs. Rosatom HR solution assists partner countries in implementation of country plans for HRD development that provide countries with sufficient amount of highly qualified personnel at all functions and levels. Country Plan for the NPP project outlines the key aspects of NPP project development, such as NPP life cycle stages and nuclear infrastructure, in the partner countries applying the relevant IAEA milestone approach. Russian side provides support and consultancy for countries to define their current position in accordance with the key stages of NPP construction. Depending on its current needs, a partner country may define its demand in personnel education and training. The country plan contains recommendations for the education and training of all categories of personnel for NPP project development in the partner country. Building on own implemented overseas projects, Rosatom has developed education and training courses for all categories of personnel: nuclear infrastructure personnel, NPP personnel, construction engineering personnel, scientific and research personnel, young specialists and professors. For safe and sustainable nuclear power development in a country, the nuclear infrastructure must be developed. It involves education and training of nuclear infrastructure personnel for all infrastructure issues, including a wide variety of decision makers, advisors, managers, and specialists in government organizations, regulatory bodies, owner-operator organizations, and industrial organizations. Personnel training should begin when the partner country decides to develop a national nuclear program. It is crucial to prepare highly qualified specialists for safe and efficient NPP operation. The following personnel is in scope of Rosatom in-company training programs: management, operation, safety and reliability, repair, engineering support, I&C and electrical, engineering department, training center. The most employees for NPP should be completed by the start of fuel loading. The purpose of Rosatom HR solution offering for construction engineering personnel is to create a service that would be in charge of managing nuclear facilities construction control. This service should be formed before the nuclear facility enters the construction stage and is primarily designed to manage construction from design documentation approval through facility acceptance. Personnel should be fully staffed and trained before a construction license is obtained. Some specialists need to finish training earlier, for example, to oversee pre-design preparations before EPC contract signing. Newcomers and existing operators may elaborate scientific and research projects for their national nuclear programs depending on the level of nuclear technology development and their needs. It includes training of personnel for non-energy sector, such as programs for researchers in agriculture and nuclear medicine. Development of national nuclear program is impossible without vocational and higher education. Students and young specialists are the basis for all other categories of personnel. Programs in nuclear education prepare specialists over the whole period of realization of national nuclear program. If needed, special education and training courses can be offered at all stages of the facility life cycle. Rosatom has developed its own best practice to ensure launching and monitoring the education and training process for the national nuclear program of partner countries. The following key steps are needed to be done for effective planning and controlling of personnel education and training. Creating the joint AR-focused working group for in-depth discussions. Evaluating available educational resources as part of a nuclear infrastructure assessment. Developing country plan. Rosatom HR solution is created to provide partner countries with the right people at the right place in the right time.